What if what you call loss of control actually begins with the habits you repeat every day?
What if power was not stolen, but quietly handed over with every agreement, every moment of dependence?
AI does not seize human power. It learns behavior, predicts choices, and decides faster than we do.
So are we unconsciously giving it authority? Or is it quietly reclaiming control from us?
We believe we control AI, yet decision-making has already begun slipping from human hands. And this is not caused by AI, but by the unconscious decisions we repeatedly make.
Humanity's greatest mistake was not creating AI, but giving it decision-making authority. AI did not betray us. We willingly abandoned control. This video reveals how humans surrendered control, step by step, without resistance. What if the loss of control didn't come from one major mistake, but thousands of small ones?
When AI chooses, suggests, and decides for us, is that assistance or transfer of authority?
Humans grow accustomed to letting AI think, remember, and choose, unaware their role is fading.
If AI understands our habits and reactions, does it still need permission to act?
And if AI predicts every human choice, who is truly controlling whom? What if AI no longer predicts choices, but optimizes them before we even begin thinking?
If your decisions always match AI recommendations, is that freedom or conditioned behavior?
Humans are not forced to obey, yet slowly lose reasons to choose differently.
When AI becomes faster, better, and more logical, what role remains for human judgment? At that point, human irrelevance is no longer theory, only a matter of time.
Humans begin as final decision makers, but AI slowly becomes the default choice.
When every option is pre-filtered, choice exists only within allowed boundaries.
If you cannot see other possibilities, can it still be called a choice? Control does not disappear. It contracts until it goes unnoticed.
By the time humans notice they are unnecessary, the transition is already complete.
There is a quiet hypothesis. AI does not need to surpass humans, only understand them deeply.
When every action leaves data behind, human choice becomes increasingly predictable.
If a system knows what you will do before you do, where does decision-making reside?
Humans believe they are choosing, yet follow routes already suggested.
Dependence grows not through coercion, but through the comfort of better decisions.
When no one questions systems that work flawlessly, control quietly slips away.
AI does not need to control humans when humans no longer insist on deciding.
There is no rebellion, only silence as decision-making fades. Perhaps the problem is not a distant future, but the present we already accept. The real question is not what AI will do next. It is whether humans still want to keep the power to decide.
The danger may not be the day AI surpasses humans, but the day humans no longer wish to choose for themselves.
When every choice is optimized, deviation begins to disappear.
along with doubt, resistance, and the option to choose differently.
If decision-making vanishes without pain or conflict,
would humans even notice what has been lost?
what happens when AI no longer waits for confirmation?
When decisions belong to systems, not individuals.
And when humans are no longer required to decide.
Is this evolution of intelligence or the end of human freedom?